This is the exact spot where Raja Raghuvamshi was attacked by the three assailants on the instruction of Sonam Raghuvamshi, his wife, on May 23rd when they had come here near the way Saudong Falls. This is beyond the parking lot. There are selfie points there where you can see the entire valley, entire canyon all around, and you can see here there is this deep gorge that my camera person is focusing upon. There is this deep gorge. If I can ask my camera person, can turn to his right, and in that deep gorge his body was thrown by the three assailants. Now today the crime scene recreation took place where they started from Maulakhyat, which is the parking lot where Sonam Raghuvamshi and Raja Raghuvamshi, after tracking up 3000 steps from Nongriat, they were there to take their scooty, and the three assailants also came after Raja Raghuvamshi's body was recovered, but the other machete is still there in the gorge. That's what the assailants had told. Also, what is revealed is that the first hit was done by Vishal, and he used his both hands to hit Raja. Raja was taken by surprise the first hit, and he screamed, and on hearing Raja scream, Sonam, who was in front of Raja at that point of time when Vishal had hit him, she also screamed and ran away from the place. And after that there were two other blows on Raj by Anand and Akash, after which Raj fell, and they took the body from here. They brought the body from this place and over this this railing that thrown the body, and that's how today in the crime scene recreation the five accused, including Raj Kushwa, was there. So but the three assailants and Sonam recreated the entire crime scene, and thereby now the Meghalaya police have been able to corroborate the way this murder, this gruesome, sensational murder had taken place here. From the parking lot of the Way Saudong Falls in East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya, with camera person Sanjay Chakravarti, Ratnadeep Chaudhary for NDTV.